Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Abacus AI, an enterprise-focused all-in-one AI platform designed to take you from raw data to production-ready models. So let's get started. First things first, what is Abacus AI? Abacus AI aims to handle everything from tabular data, forecasting, NLP, computer vision to real-time personalization. You start by uploading your dataset or connecting to your database, and the platform generates models automatically using its AutoML engine. You can tweak features, test multiple algorithms, and deploy directly, complete with versioning and monitoring. For its key features, it has full automation pipelines that take you from data to live API. It has built-in drift detection to keep models accurate over time. Also, auto-generated model cards for documentation. Integrations with enterprise tools like Snowflake, S3, and BigQuery. It has emphasis on security, compliance, and SLAs. For its cons, the design for enterprise users, not solo developers or small teams, can also feel like overkill if you're just experimenting. It's best suited for teams shipping AI to production and handling real data pipelines. But for its bottom line, Abacus AI is powerful and production ready, especially if you need automated retraining and enterprise grade integrations. But for smaller projects or hobbyists, it might be more than you need. Alright, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!